a brighter flame. I was really excited when they said yes, and I was even more impressed when they said that they could change that engine over in just a matter of seconds.
So we're already converted? Like, you're done?
That's it.
That was fast. Man, that's good right there.
Okay, now that you know how an engine works, watch each of the 4 strokes and see if you can identify each one. Intake, compression, power, exhaust. Intake, compression, power, exhaust. Now think about the engine in your car. All the explosions are synchronized together to make that one constant engine roaring sound.